This is the Midten 3-9x40 compact rifle scope. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It came packaged great and arrived safely, and you can see me unboxing it over here. Inside the package, you get the scope itself, 2 scope mounts for a standard 20mm Picatinny rail. You get a cleaning cloth. It comes with removable lens covers, which you can see right here. You got a wrench that fits the Allen screws on the rail mounts and also right here on the turrets. And of course, you get a easy to read user manual with it. It's a nice looking aluminum alloy compact scope, and it's also pretty lightweight. Weighs in at just about 10.75 ounces. And we're looking at 7.87 inches from end to end. The large objective lens measures in at 40 millimeters, and we have about 28 millimeters or 1.10 inches for the eyepiece diameter. The body tube measures in at 1 inch in diameter. The scope has a large field of view and a mil-dot reticle to help increase your aiming speed and accuracy. The mil-dot spacing does not change when you're zooming in or out. We're looking at 3 to 9 times magnification and a 41 to 16 field of view at 100 yards. Both the windage and the elevation turrets are both lockable and easy to adjust. See, the click lines up with the dots, get it set, press it down, and you're good to go. And both of these are actually resettable to 0 using the Allen wrench we have right here. You just remove the screw, place the knob back at the 0 mark, and put the screw back in. I have to get my microphone closer so you can hear it, but they have audible 1/4 minute of angle clicks and a max windage elevation adjustment to 70 MOA. We have high definition, extra low dispersion, multi-layer coated lenses. It is O-ring sealed and nitrogen filled to keep it waterproof and fog proof, good for all kinds of conditions. And the diopter is adjustable for people with different vision. The eye relief on the eyepiece is about 3.74 inches. So there you go, a nice looking lightweight scope for target practice, hunting, airsoft, whatever you want. Very nice.